A lion lay sleeping in the woods, his extraordinary head laying on his paws. A hesitant little mouse happened upon him out of the blue, and in her dismay and flurry to move away, stumbled into the lion's nose. Energized from his rest, the lion laid his colossal paw irately on the minuscule animal to kill her. "Spare me," asked the unfortunate mouse. "Kindly let me go, and sometime I will clearly reimburse you." The lion was greatly entertained to believe that a mouse might at any point help him. However, he was liberal, lastly let the mouse go. Occasionally later, while following his prey in the woods, the lion was trapped in the works of a tracker's net. Unfit to free himself, he filled the woodland with his furious thundering. The mouse knew the voice and immediately found the lion battling in the net. Racing to one of the incredible ropes that bound him, she chewed it until it separated, and soon the lion was free. "You chuckled when I said I would reimburse you," said the mouse. Presently you see that even a mouse can help a lion.